Welcome to Suwon! Hey guys, it's Kiel Andres here and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to a day trip from Seoul to Suwon. So let's go! After 1 hour ng biyahe, 30 minutes sa train, tapos 30 minutes din sa bus, nakarating na tayo ng Suwon! So kung pupunta kayo ng Seoul and medyo mahaba yung time nyo, punta rin kayo dito. For our first stop, Suwon Hwasong Fortress. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Walking along the walls feels like being transported back in time. Ang ganda ng view at sobrang peaceful. This actually is not our first time here. Bumalik kami dito after 3 years of visiting. And the first time na nandito kami, it was autumn. Pero ngayon, it's a different vibe na pumunta kami during springtime. Next, we strolled around Paldal Lake and stumbled upon the beautiful Hwanghongmun Gate. It's a majestic stone bridge with 7 arches, surrounded by flowing water and greenery. Parang postcard sa totoong buhay, ang lakas maka-historical K-drama vibes. Mag-aalas 12 na ng hapon pero ang dami pa ring saradong shops. Sis, nakalagay open at 2 p.m. Open at 2 p.m. Pagod na kami maglakad niya ng 2 p.m. Actually, maganda maglakad-lakad dito sa Suwon. Ang daming mga cute shops, mga kainan. Tapos hindi pa siya ganun ka-crowded. Yun nga lang, very late nag-open yung mga shops and restaurants dito. Of course, we had to visit the house of Hido and Eugene from 2521. Kung fan ka ng 2521, this is a must visit. Don't forget to be respectful since it's a real residential area. After relieving our K-drama fantasies, we headed to Suwon Center for Traditional Culture. At first, we weren't sure what to expect, pero pagdating namin, it turned out to be one of the most peaceful and charming spots we've been to that day. The architecture here is very traditional Korean and napakagandang mag-picture-picture dito. So kung gusto mo ng low-key and serene stop during your Suwon trip, this one is worth dropping by. And ang maganda pa dito, libre lang siya puntahan. For our lunch, we ate at Cheongsan Sigol Sambap. It's known for its fresh vegetables, flavorful meat dishes, and traditional Korean side dishes. Puro lokal lang yun nandito. Try natin kung masarap. Taray, very local tayo. Tayo lang ang foreigner dito.
6,000.
6,000 mo. Suwon Makmol. Baka mas masarap dito. 5% lang. $1,000,000/10. Sobrang sarap. After all the walking, we needed a quick recharge, so we headed to Autograph Coffee, a cozy basement cafe in Suwon. Hindi mo agad mapapansin to sa street, but once you head downstairs, para kang pumasok sa secret spot na super warm and welcoming. The vibe is giving indie film, ganon. We loved how quiet it was. It's perfect for resting your feet and enjoying a slow cup of coffee. Their coffee was surprisingly good. Hindi lang aesthetic, panalo rin ang lasa. So kung gusto mo ng cafe na hindi masyadong matao and parang may pagka-exclusive hideout yung feels niya, Autograph Coffee is a must visit. And guys, nadaanan din pala namin ang bahay ni Choi Yung ng Our Beloved Summer. While we were walking around, we randomly found this super unique photo booth sa gilid ng daan, and syempre hindi namin to pinalagpas. And instead of the usual film strip, yung printout niya ay parang newspaper layout. As in, meron siyang headline, byline, and full layout na parang front page ng dyaryo. Ang cool kasi sobrang one-of-a-kind souvenir to from Suwon. Our next stop is another filming location of 2521, and maganda rin siyang spot for cherry blossoms. So magandang magpicture din dito, kaya lang medyo nakakapagod ang lakaran paakyat.
Lagay ba yung pin niyo?
Okay na to! Grabing struggle. Makita lang tong tunnel na to. Grabe. Although maganda naman siya talaga. Pero grabe yung inakyat namin for this. So now, on to the next destination na tayo, which is the Suwon Starfield Library. Actually, nakapunta na kami dun sa Starfield sa may Gangnam. Pero tong nandito sa Suwon, since bago lang siya, wala pa siya nung 2 years ago na nandito kami. Pupuntahan namin siya ngayon. Nandito na tayo sa ating last destination dito sa Suwon. Nandito kami ngayon sa Gyeonggi Lime Forest Park. Malapit lang to sa hotel namin. I mean sa Airbnb namin. Wala pa atang 5-minute walk to papunta sa Airbnb. Pero dito din kami kakain ng dinner. Try namin puntahan to bukas ng umaga kasi maganda siya. Tsaka puro cherry blossoms din. So try natin puntahan ng umaga. Kagabi din kasi nadaanan na namin to eh. Ito ba? Dito tayo magdi-dinner? Ito yung... Ayan, dito tayo magdi-dinner. For tonight, magsasamgyupsal na tayo. Let's go! And this is how we ended our night, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to, and I hope to see you on our next vlog. Thank you guys for watching!